So today we did the 2011 Land Cruiser Shahara. As you can see, all the factory back as normal as before. All the functions works. Info, everything works. If you want to switch to up CarPlay, use the phone hand up button to switch. Hold it up, come up CarPlay. It comes wireless and wired. If you want wired, you can plug USB. If you use wireless, just connect with Bluetooth, will be automatically come up. Okay. Factory touch work as well, and steering controls. Steering control works as well. So steering control works as well. So steering control works as well. The factory wasn't coming working as well on the CarPlay. If you have any questions, please give us a call on 029644 8625. Thank you for watching.